Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Czar Gabriel de la Cruz from Vistas Cloud. Workflows in Business Central can be configured and used to easily integrate and coordinate business process operations performed by various individuals within your organization. In order to set up workflow, we should first set up approval users, then create or use workflow templates and assign workflow user groups. Navigate to Approval User Setup. In the columns you will see User ID, specifies the user posting the entry. Approver ID, specifies the approver. Unlimited approval, indicates if the user has unlimited approval limits for sales and purchases. Email, specifies where approval notifications will be sent, requires email setup. Approval admin, manages approval entries.